Thank you, everybody. Thanks for the opportunity to present here. I want to thank Scott Pantel and the LSI team. This is our third year presenting, and we're really honored to be here. So I'd like to share with you the journey of Fist Assist. I am a vascular surgeon. I am the CEO and founder of Fist Assist Devices, which we have intellectual property on arm vein enhancement and arm vein dilation. Globally, I'm actually wearing the Fist Assist device as I'm presenting here on my left arm. In the United States, Fist Assist is now cleared for superficial arm massage and increased circulation as a 510. Outside the US, Fist Assist is marketed and cleared for arm vein dilation, fistula maturation for renal failure, and we'll share some of that information. Our mission, and this is the third year at LSI for our device, is to increase arm vein circulation for arm vein wellness, support chronic kidney disease and end-stage renal disease, and making a product available for the global community. Basically, the science is very simple. Veins and arteries adapt while shear stress, while tensile stress and nitric oxide changes make veins bigger, make arteries bigger. This science has been studied for many years. We heard from the previous speaker that chronic kidney disease is a real global opportunity and continues to grow. 1 in 10 adults will have some form of chronic kidney disease. 40 million Americans have currently classified as having some type of chronic kidney disease, and the numbers are increasing globally. And there is a need for a simple, cost-reducing, patient-empowering device in this space. And we think Fist Assist is that device. Many patients who need dialysis need to have a fistula. A fistula is a connection between the artery and the vein. And the problem with the fistula is that arteries and veins aren't always perfect, especially veins. And as a vascular surgeon, that led to this device in my mind. Basically, when you don't have a good vein, you're having significant costs, you're having poor outcomes, and the patient experience is miserable. Fist Assist hopefully will attack one aspect of this, which is a very important aspect. We know that pneumatic compression helps with circulation in the legs. Never has a device been made for the upper arm, and the Fist Assist device is the world's first intermittent focal arm compression device. It's a very simple device. It's worn very comfortably below your shoulder in this particular example that I'm wearing. It's an easy application device. It's an external device. It has high patient compliance. It basically goes to a pressure of 60 millimeters of mercury for 20 seconds and is very cyclic. The device is very simple, and as I said, is 510K approved as a massager. Many patients want to make their veins bigger. They have different ideas and options, from rubber bands to squeezy balls to even devices that basically pump blood from your neck into your arm veins to make your veins bigger. All these technologies are available to help make veins bigger, and the Fist Assist device is a different version of all those devices. We are regulatory approved for sales all over the world and in the United States of America. We are launching, which I will describe here in a little while. Once again, we have one present patent, actually 2 present patents and a 3rd patent that's pending. We are launching, we just announced a major distribution deal with Australia and New Zealand, but are active in India, Europe, and Canada. We have many approved papers that highlight the benefits of pneumatic compression for this space, and these are all papers that are available showing our research. Recently just completed a very important FDA trial, which was the FACT trial, basically saying that this device in 3 centers across the world was significant and was very powerful in dilating arm veins. So if you want arm veins bigger, here's a device that is now in trials proving that. The device is very simple. We had a simple 3-month trial with this device, and I won't get into the details, but basically in the forearm, we enlarged the veins by 0.6 millimeters, and in the upper arm, 1 full millimeter. And those numbers are significant for procedures, significant for fistula placement, significant for any type of arm vein help or enhancement or dilation that you need depending on your region of the world. These papers were immediately published by the Journal of Vascular Access and Vascular Disease Management. The Vascular Disease Management paper showed that even with our device, the perforator veins enlarged, and those are very important for endovascular AV fistulas. Where do we think this device fits? I think the Fist Assist device will eventually continue to expand its role today as a dilation device, eventually into maturation and cannulations, all to help the AV fistula in the renal space. It is a one-stop solution for patients, physicians, healthcare systems, techs, nurses, insurance companies. The Fist Assist really is one of those devices that really can enamor and engage the whole community of renal care. It's also a hope device. This device is one of the few devices that's a wearable that engages, educates, enables, and empowers patients for their wellness and for their renal journey. A big announcement came for our device in December, just literally 3 months ago. We received the FDA breakthrough device as one of the first wearables to help dilate veins for renal failure. This is a big announcement and proves that even the FDA and various regulatory people feel that arm vein care is a lacking need and an opportunity for improvement in patient care with renal failure. Now, there are other markets that are developing for Fist Assist rapidly. There's the infusion care model. Many patients receive cancer treatments. They don't have suitable arm veins. They need catheters. They need infusion needles. The Fist Assist space for infusion is very strong. The home phlebotomy market is increasing in our country, and there's an indication there that Fist Assist can help with home phlebotomy. So these are new markets that are developing for this arm wearable technology. We are based and headquartered now in Las Vegas, initially from Silicon Valley. We have everything in place for our global launch, which is actively now in the process of developing. We have global distribution partners in the United States with Eros Medical. We just yesterday announced our distribution agreement with Regional Healthcare in Australia. We are available in India with Metafocus, and of course have a partnership with Amazon in Europe, but that is also all in flux as we continue to expand arm vein identification and wellness in America and in the world. The global opportunity for markets in renal failure, infusion, and phlebotomy all rely on arm veins. And a quality arm vein is what Fist Assist provides. But if you look at these markets all are struggling with poor arm vein care. And in a lot of ways, I'm probably one of the only vascular surgeons in the world who promotes arm vein wellness. And with arm vein wellness, you can help many patients with renal failure, cancer care, and home phlebotomy. We have had this device globally presented for the last 5 years all over the world. We have won awards with the Fist Assist, and now with the FDA breakthrough designation, we are launching a very successful product for the global community. We, of course, are seeking funds like many companies here. We are looking for, obviously, ongoing angel commercialization round, joint ventures, acquisition discussions. But on May 1st, Fist Assist will launch a Reg D crowdfunding, which really was in a lot of ways supported by LSI's ideas. We will launch with our partners, Core Connects, who are here at LSI, Eros Medical, Regulation D Resources, who is also here, and Rialto Markets, on May 1st, a Reg D equity crowdfunding campaign to not only raise awareness of this device, to grow ambassadors for this device, but to do a significant sales, marketing, commercialization launch this summer for the Fist Assist device, which will be marketed on television, marketed on the news channels, and marketed on wellness TV shows all across America. You have heard it here first. You will be seeing Fist Assist this summer on television. So where are we? We have developed a device. We are honored to be presenting here at LSI. We truly have a device that enlarges arm veins. We have a device that's a wellness device, that's a massager, that increases circulation, a device that can help renal failure patients, a device that's proven in science to benefit, and now with an ongoing Reg equity crowdfunding, you can own a piece of Fist Assist, you can be a part of the sales and marketing campaign for a global device. Thank you very much.